Well, this sucks. The fuel pump died 2 blocks from my house. Some really nice guys helped me push it into this parking lot I'm in right now. And of course, it's a very busy parking lot because there's a bar right there. So lots of people, hey, nice bug. Thanks. It's not being nice to me right now, but thanks, you know. Yeah, I was hoping it was just wiring, and so I ran home, since I'm 2 blocks from the house. I ran home, grabbed some tools, and, you know, some wire and some strippers and pliers and whatever, and tried, you know, rewiring it directly to 12 volt. Nope, it just, you can see a spark when I touch the wire, and that's it. So the thing's seized up. I thought this was a fairly decent quality pump too. It's a rotary. I mean, a rotary shouldn't die. It's not a facet that has, you know, mechanical shit that's going to move. So I'm stuck here until I can get a ride to O'Reilly's. They have a clicky clacky fuel pump, an Edelbrock branded one, and go grab that and come back and plug it in so I can at least drive home. I don't want to call AAA for 2 blocks, you know, so I'll have to get the pump and put it in, and I'm gonna be here all damn night. All right, guys, I'll bring it back when we've got the pump. Pain in the ass. O'Reilly's to the rescue. The wiring could use some cleanup, but here's the old one. And I guess it was a piece of shit, but you know, they probably all are. Alright, back on the road. Nice. Alright, I kind of taped those wires up a little bit out of the way. I'm thinking I'm going to mount that a little better, but they got me home. So we're going to call that a win. Yeah, we'll clean this up later, but it's fine for right now. Alright guys, you know what to do with that shit down there below. Click the subscribe button, click the bell, leave me a comment, tell me what an idiot I am, and we'll see you next time.